guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I put on my laced frontal, and wish me luck because I'm actually filming it today. Okay, so they say, whoever they are, that you have to do a bald cap method. Now, I personally don't really want to do this, but I guess for video purposes, I'm going to make an attempt. I don't know, the last time I did that, it didn't really work out too well. And I felt like it was under the lid and like you could just like see it, and I don't want to see it. Like I don't want that part to be seen in because I feel like my edges come out like mad far, and I don't know, so I obviously don't have nothing left in this. I'm just not, I have to cut this, so okay. So my thing is, I don't like this completely like on my eyebrows. Some people be having the frontal like right here. I don't like that because when I get in the shower, like I like to wash my face. You know what I mean? Like, so that's the problem that I was having before with this bald cap method. I tried it before and it was ultimate disaster. Like it came out like I just don't know. Like it was lifting, like I don't know. I just don't know about this thing. So to lay my frontal, right, I'm gonna use Ghostbond. I guess I have to read the directions on here because I don't know how many I'm supposed to apply. So let's see what good old Google says. So, if bonding, skin, apply one thin layer coat to hair system. Apply 4 thin coats to Ghostbond XL to scalp. Once the 4th coat is applied, wait 7 minutes for Ghostbond to completely cure. So we're gonna do 4 layers, 4 thin layers to be exact. And just to speed up the process, I'm gonna use my trusty old blow dryer to make it move a little bit quicker because nobody has time to be waiting that long. So here goes nothing. One down, 3 more to go. coat. I'm gonna use this little thing here. So my camera died and I have to do this from my phone now. So this was my 4th application and I am going to let it sit for 7 minutes according to the instructions, and then I will be applying my lace. Okay, so my timer is done and the 7 minutes is up and it's time for me to lay this frontal down. Now I'm going to apply the frontal. I tried to do it section by section. I did the front part first. I used the back of a tail comb to, I guess, rub this, not rub, but place the lace onto the skin and onto the glue. They say that the sides, like the sideburn sides, always lift up eventually, but as of right now, so far so good. Right now I'm placing the other side down. As you can see how I placed it and used the back of the comb or the tail end of the comb to kind of melt the lace into the skin. Finished laying down the frontal. Now I'm going to do the baby hairs or whatever. You know, that's gonna take like some skill, because baby hairs now it's like, oh honey. How I like my baby hairs. Any of y'all got a problem with it? Oh well. Wait, lucky I'm even giving it baby hairs. You know what I mean?